Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing kit from 7Great. That is www.7great.com. Now, as you all know, 7Great only specialize in cross stitch. So everything cross stitch your heart desire, you can find at 7Great. They sell all kinds of cross stitch. They sell all the types of beaded cross stitch, all the crafts that's got to do with cross stitch, and even the tools and accessories. Now, if you buy from 7Great, if you order over $59, then you get free shipping. Also, if you want to save a little bit more at 7Great, you just type in my discount code, which is RELLA10 off for extra 10% discount. Now, that is not all. They are still having this special offer where you buy 4, get 1 free. And that means you must add 5 to your cart. So buy 8, get 2 free. Buy 10, add 10 to your cart. So the more you add, the more you get free. Go look in your basket. It will exactly show you what you get free or which one is for free. So that is amazing savings with the discount, with the over $59 free shipping. I think it's very, very nice. They load new things very often. So go and have a look. Go support 7Great. I just love them. Alright, so let's have a look at what I've got here. You can look so long. Now, this is different from what I normally show you. But look what it is. It looks, it's peacock feathers. It's like a mandala type of shape. I think this is interesting. That is actually why I chose it, and I think it's beautiful. So I can't wait to see what it looks like open and what we got. Alright. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's start with this. Alright, there's the little test tube. It's not a test tube, you know that, but I call it a test tube with 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble. I like this. You know, you can take all your needles like 26, 28, 24, 22, and you can mark it, and you can put a lot of them in there. So I really, really like that. Now let's have a look here. Now I can tell you now it's on my favorite shiny film for durability. I want to see something. I want to see something here, and I want to see. I just want to see. I don't think these ones, I don't know. Just give me a second. Just a small second and I'll be happy. I am breaking my pattern. Are you struggling with me? Getting annoyed because I'm struggling? No, this one does not come off because I thought it will be a sticker thing, but it's not. This one's not a sticker. This is my favorite shiny foam for durability. Then, remember not to get it wet in front. It's not water resistant. Look at this beautiful pattern. So it is 11 count. And ooh, I see a name. I wonder what they called it. Just hold on. Let's see what they called it. I'm nosy, sorry. Let's be nosy together then. Translate that. Oh, they call this flowers, but it's like a kaleidoscope with peacock feathers. I think it's beautiful, the colors. It's just amazing. So it's 11 count, 49 by 49 centimeters, 190 by 190 stitches. We got 40 colors, and that is enough. It's going to look beautiful. Very, very pretty. The instruction leaflet is printed on the pattern, and the pattern is beautiful. 49 by 49, 190 by 190, and look, it's gonna come out so cool. A really cool pattern, I think it is. The picture is beautiful, that colors. Alright, so happiness is. Alright, while I pack this away, I want to ask if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please hit that subscribe button if you want to. It's for free, and by doing that, you help me out a lot. Yeah, you also motivate me to make more and more videos. Then, if you like this video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment box. I will get back to you. Alright, it is on bright white Ada. It's 11 count. Oh my word, it's beautiful. Ooh la la. Alright, 11 count, 49 by 49, 190 stitches by 190 stitches. Let me see. Alright, 40 colors. Everything is printed magnificently. Very, very beautiful. I'm first looking. Okay, let me show you as well. See if I open, there's the feathers. There's one there, so I can show you. So the printing is amazing, right? Very, very pretty. I really, really love it. Amazing. Okay, so let's get to the pretties. And you guys know this never gets old because floss is just beautiful. So let's have a look here. So we got 40 colors. It's got a, sorry, it's got a bad knot here. Just hold on. All right. Okay, so look at these colors. Oh, there's my purple. And this is fabulous. Let me show you. And there we go. Absolutely fantastic. I really, really love it. Amazing. Really, really beautiful product. I really, really love it a lot. Alright, so I wanted to tell you also on their site, you must go and look. They did divide all the brands, and they do load quite a bit of stuff. If you buy from them, I want to ask you to please leave a review on their page. It does help them as well. Like this, I don't want to pack away properly because I want to take a picture, and I'm exactly going to do that as well. Alrighty then, so that is it from 7th grade. I just want to thank you guys. This is beautiful, 7th grade. Thank you so much for my nice kit. And then I want to I want to say thank you to you, my viewer, for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me. Well, till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.